Stubs and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna tour you around in Contra Loma Reginal Park here in Antioch. So we are going to the mountain with the sunset. Look at it on my back, it's very nice, guys. So join me in touring you around. So I am just going to hike in that mountain. See that mountain right over there? Pinakadulo. That's a mountain that I'm gonna go. So join me in my hiking. Yay! So this is the best part here. Kung malapit na yung sunset kasi talagang maganda dito. So pagdating natin dun sa taas, meron silang malaking lake na pwede tayo mag-fishing. But we cannot do that because we need a license bago tayo makapag-fish sa kanilang lake. So this is na guys, ito na yung foot of the mountain. Pupunta na tayo sa taas, sa bundok. Yung grass dito brown na siya kasi malapit na mag-summer, pero pag spring siya, yan lahat green lahat. So ito na, papunta na tayo ng bundok. So nandito na tayo, guys. I'm catching my breath kasi nandito na ako sa tuktok. So ito yung view dito. Nung kasagsagan ng pandemya, dito ako mamalagi tuwing weekend kasi walang tao. Dito ako magtanggal ng mask. So but now okay na, pwede nang mag-hike or pumunta ng mga park na walang mask. Nakakapagod pag-akyat ng bundok. So I'm gonna show you a lake right there, and I think we have a swimming pool, a public swimming pool over there too. So let's go there, let's take a look. Ito na yung lake, guys. Ito yung lake ng Contra Loma Regional Park. So ito po yung dam, and this lake is a drinking water. Ito po yung nagsusupply ng tubig sa buong Contra Costa. And then pwede tayong mag-fishing dito. Kaya nga lang, we need to have a license before we can fish in that area. So andito na, guys. I'm gonna do my challenge. I'm gonna hold the water, touch the water. I wanna touch the ew. Ew, no, I cannot. I'm so sorry. I failed. I failed, guys. I cannot touch the water. But it's so beautiful. Look at that. So ito, guys, ito pa no swimming dito kasi ito yung drinking water supply ng the whole Antioch. So see? So hindi pwedeng mag-swimming dyan. Hindi rin pwedeng paliguan yung mga pets. So ayan, guys, yan yung sinasabi kong swimming pool. So ang entrance ng pool na yan is $2. And I think hindi pa sila open. Yan, so it's a freshwater swimming pool. Yan, ang ganda dyan. So walking distance lang ito sa bahay namin dito sa Antioch. So this park, guys, is full of wildlife. Kailan na yung mga klase nga langgam na apoy kita bitin diri guys katong nag-hike ko unang adlaw na yung mga squirrels and turtles. See? Happy family guys. Wow, mommy, daddy, and the babies. Yan. So ayan guys, pwede ka rin mag-picnic dito guys in front of the pool. So nindot din siya diri picnican. So yan yung pool guys. It's very nice. So ito yung continuation ng park. So yan guys, nagpa-party sila dyan, nagtitent sila. It's nice to see people without wearing mask. Yan. Ends for a vlog today guys. Thank you so much for joining me in our tour today in this Reginal Park in Antioch. And if you haven't been subscribed, please subscribe my channel down below. Thank you. Bye.